Hello everybody and welcome to my 67th VBA 2010 tutorial. And this tutorial is going to show you how to put functions into your class modules. So your function, you want to do the same as the properties essentially. So you just want to do public and then function, and then I'm going to call this one add balance. And same way you would a normal function, I'm going to pass it some a variable. So I'm going to put extra, or let's call it balance change as double. And then what we're going to want to do with this is we're going to want to make the user balance equal to the user balance plus balance change. What I'm going to do though, because I haven't yet got it to set the a user balance variable, I've got no property get or let. So the first time we do a balance change, I just want it to put the balance to 0 to start off with, or to the initial balance change. So let's put if is null, and then user balance. That is null just tests whether or not it's set, or if it's got nothing in it. So if it's got nothing in it, then I want to make a user balance equal to balance change, and if it's already got a value in it, then I'm going to add the balance change onto it. The reason I've done this is just because otherwise it will error, because it won't have any value for this, so it will just it'll mess up. So let's go into our code. So we've got username1 dot username equals, and I'm going to put it equals to Matt again, and then username1 dot add balance, and then 5. That's how much I want to add onto the balance. And then we just want a message box out the balance. So let's put a format user1 dot, and we haven't got anything to do the balance with. Okay, so let's actually just create a sub procedure. So down here, public sub, I'm going to call it shout balance, and it's not going to take any parameters, because all it's going to do is just put into a message box a user balance, and we want it to be formatted as currency. So let's put in our currency format, hashtag 0.00. Oh, I missed that 0 in there. Spacebar, close bracket. So now in our code, when we do message, all we need to do is put user1 dot shout balance. So let's press play. It's going to say Matt $5, and if I use dollars, oh that's crazy, I'm not going to use dollars. Let's go back to pounds. Matt pounds, brilliant. Okay. And we can keep using these functions over and again. So dot add balance, user1 dot shout balance, press play, argument not optional, I actually have to give it a balance to add. So now it will say Matt 5.15. So it's going to keep on adding to the balance because it keeps storing that information in our module. The last one I'm going to show you is just going to be, I want to put in an add interest on there as well. So let's put public function add interest by val int rate as double, and then we just want to make a user balance equals a user balance plus a user balance times int rate. And so now we can do user1 dot add interest. Let's add 0.08, and then let's shout out the balance again. So let's press play. So that balance goes to £5, balance goes to £15, and then I get an extra 8%, so it goes to £16.20. And I wish it was that easy to actually make my balance go up. But that's how you add subs and functions into your class modules. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're just going to go a little bit more into objects and the static variable type. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you soon.